Kublai phi baru kini gilongi kubor bamtagasngi. Umanju rangba ke Meghalaya u Conrad ke sangma ulo ong ba ka Sorkar kan omle Bulldoze ne pen Kheiñ ki Kyndon ba ki rukom tre kam balabu haknu nu ka project. Kam tam ki project he ki badan ka jinglut da ki hajar klor tingka. Habakran shakilat pathai kubor u Conrad ulo ong ba ki project baro ki don lagi jongi procedure statutory requirement bar ki Kyndon ki bahab ban bun. Ulapan syai ba kamdon kanu ka jingtmu jong ka Sorkar ban pen Kheiñ an na kapenta kanu ka company ne organization. Ula ong bala dadon ki jing keno halor ka jing penyat project ki pat ba na ki kinhun ki badan jing khuslai kila banwan ra ye ki jing e jong ki ndoi ka Sorkar kan haban bot ben ya ki procedure. Ka Sorkar kamla ban ne khlem bot ki Kyndon baro ki rule bat procedure kin haban bot habaro ki project la ong Conrad. Ula benrab ki project he kim long kum kapli dukan red ne business red hendai ki jingbe tingka ki bahe bar kum ta ki haban yat bet kat kum ka an bar ki Kyndon balapu.
All the procedures, and for every project procedures are defined, and every kind of industrial projects the procedures are defined. For government, it is not possible for us to not follow any of the procedures, and especially for larger projects. So therefore this kind of allegations are not correct. We have been following procedures, and yes, if there are certain areas and concerns which people have, let them come out, and obviously the procedures have to be followed. So be very clear on that. Please remember that there is no question of any bulldozing out here. There's no question of flaunting any rules out here. We have been doing different projects for the last 8 years. The government does not intend to break rules for any particular company or organization. All rules, all procedures will be followed for all projects.
So this is also contextual.
The favoring, if it is there, I think it will be out in the open. The point is that for us, procedures and rules and whatever statutory requirements are there, irrespective of whichever company comes in, we are very clear that we have to follow all the rules. So I'm very clear on that, and therefore the administration also is very clear. These are not like a small shop that you're planning to open, or a small kind of a business in particular village you're opening. These are large investments of thousands of crores. These cannot be just done because somebody wants it to be done. It has to be done only on the basis of procedures that are there. So procedures have to be followed, be very clear, and procedures will be followed.
So as far as some is concerned, we've seen that the UC